Alright, this is an unflattering angle, but I am about to head to an art festival. It's a small one, but it's my first one, so I'm really excited. The weather is on the fritz, but hopefully we can make it in time to have like an hour or two there and explore and have fun. So, cross our fingers. I should have brought my pop socket. Center stage, they have this stage, and then they have the stage all the way down at the end. So they have 3 stages. Okay. I love this house. It's one of my favorites.
Outside if you get freezing weather, make sure you race it. I wish I had crap, but I don't. See, my dad's name was Howard, but they always called him Cubby. Yes.
That's really cool. Clayton would love that.
Oh wow, so cool.
Okay, so there's your support.
Oh, they're all doing stuff.
Understand.